Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to disassemble the stand on your Samsung Odyssey G6 monitor. Let's begin by unplugging all the cables so we can do everything. I've unplugged them and now I'll rotate the monitor so we can see everything. And there is this button, this switch, that when you turn it up, you can remove the monitor from the stand. Now it's still hanging there. You just need to move it up and it goes off. I'll put it somewhere safe and we'll get to the stand because it splits into two parts. Now, this part can be removed. To do it, there's a button that you need to press, and while pressing and holding, twist the stand like so. Now you can slide it off like that, and it's disassembled. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.